but I know Madhuri is here and she's been waiting because these are people who've actually done full sessions, okay, like a full 1 hour consult with Upaji, and they've been through doing the remedies and holding themselves with that. So we've got to hear in from them. Madhuri, I've asked to unmute you.
Yeah, hi Neelu. I've been in touch with Upmaji, I think, since last 7 to 8 years. So initially it was only kuch ho gaya, so I used to ask her something happened. So, but later on, I was having some problems in taking some major decisions of my life, and which concerned my kids also. So then I contacted Upma ji and I asked her ki what should I do? Because see, we are from very cultured and educated family, and we always think ki what will be the effect of the front person and what it's going to harm his reputation and everything. Upma ji told me very small remedy she suggested, and she told me you do this and you act as you act and you do what you want. That thing, because somewhere I was getting too emotional, I was getting too like thinking about the others and forgetting about my situation and my kid's situation. But the way she told it, and I think hardly 3 4 months I have done that, and I was able to take a very good decision and come out of some clutches, family clutches. So then after that, to any small thing I just ring her up, or if she's busy I just message her and she calls back, and all this. And she's very caring as a person, as a teacher, as a Sanjana ji told, we have joined a Vedic astrology class, but if she is sitting we just don't want to see and we want to ask her only what to do. She is a great human, like she is a very great human being, and she's got a lot of patience. And that was first thing she had told me to do something with the lead and just put it in the flowing water. And we were actually having a joint family business. So I was thinking, what will be the consequences if I move out of the business? What will be the problem with the front people? And but then that's not my problem. End of the day, I am answerable to my kids, and they are main priority for me. So, but the way she told, and actually speaking, I have kept out the relationship. They are still like, if there's anything, they call me up, they discuss things, and I'm like, if I want, I go up to a limit, but I keep myself out because I don't want to get into any emotional or otherwise attachment with anybody, which will affect me and my kids.
Right.
So she's been very guiding, and this is a very small thing with my kids also. If there's anything and I feel ki kuch hai, so I just call up Upma ji, and Upma ji SSA, and she'll give very small remedies. She had told me put rice. My son is born in his main this thing is Venus, and he gets hyper very fast. बहुत गुस्सा आता है, and he doesn't listen. Like anybody is there, he will not think. If I'm not doing wrong, why should I listen to anyone? That's his attitude. So, but then when you go outside, you have to, like, you can do things your way also, but you don't have to become hyper. So
Right.
Upma ji suggested a very simple thing: keep rice near his bed, under his pillow or something, or use white. And this is last 15 to 20 days, and it has shown a lot of improvement. So, and she keeps on guiding. If you're just in touch with her, she keeps on guiding you. And I never fail to attend any of her meetings. If I come to know whatever it is, she'll always give you some knowledge.
Amazing. Amazing.
And she's a very good teacher as well, and she's got lots of patience. I don't know, I never thought I would be able to study astrology. I was very interested, but when she put, I thought, let me try, because you get comfortable with her. With her, I'm telling you now, when you talk to her once or twice, you can discuss anything with her.
Right.
So
Right.
that makes a lot of difference. Like it makes a lot of difference. Ki you're very comfortable. You can discuss anything with her. and she is such a good person. She'll never like, she'll always guide you. Whatever, she'll always guide you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Madhuri, for coming on and sharing that. Thank you so much.
Thank
I'm
you,
very
Madhuri.
glad to be in. Thank you, Upmaji.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
She's changed my life. She's changed my life thoroughly. Like I can say ki I'm the eldest in the house, but I always feel there's someone, because I lost my mother in 2016. But now I feel ki as a sister, as a friend, she's always there for me.
That's beautiful.
Thank
Thank you, Madhuri.
Thank you.